Ooh. Okay. So, anyways, I was supposed to record some of this for y'all, but I just was in a mood earlier, so I just ate and then I just got started. So y'all remember at the top. Okay, well I guess I gotta show y'all. Anyway, I got this much done. So that took me 4 hours. Probably because I had no rhyme or rhythm. I was just like, is there imperfections? Absolutely. Absolutely. Would it be cleaner if I like took the doors off and then did it like that? Absolutely. Am I gonna do that? Absolutely not. I still got to do that little side, right? But part of me is like, I kind of want to just do this side first, like these little 4, because I know I'm gonna run out. Like I know I don't have enough to do all of this. That's okay, I'm ordering some more. But part of me want to at least get the white part over here when I walk in the house. Because when you walk in, like the first thing you see is the kitchen. So I want to be able to like walk in. Like say, this is me like walking in. So you know how you see the first 4. So I kind of want them white because then that'd be given like, okay, white, brightened up. I don't know. It's still early. The night is young. I don't know. I might turn up and do the countertops. I was feeling that. I was feeling like, hey, girl, the night is young. Do the countertops, do it all. I look busted, I know. That's okay. So it's mad early. I'm about to go give lab work. I did not vlog when I went into the hospital because there was mad people in there. So you're right a blood drawn. Excuse me. They got this on extra tight because it needs to be pressure because I'm on thinner. So yeah, we still ain't got into that. I'm gonna get into that. So the plan was, okay, so we didn't follow the plan. I did not vlog when I went to go get my blood draw. I did not vlog when I go to the thrift store. And I was gonna go to the grocery store after this, but change the plans. So it's strictly nice outside. Let me just start there. It's very nice. It's giving summertime. Bye. Anyway, I have 2 hours to uninstall, reinstall this hot mess on my head, and do it. By the way, I need to shower, do all my hygiene. Then I need to do my nails, do my feet, press on. Don't do too much. But I need to do all of that in 2 hours. So basically in 2 hours, I need to be given. You fine. Okay, basically last night I was doing laundry and I had to stop because you can only do laundry up until 10:30. So what I need to do now is kind of put these together. Real quick, I'm gonna show you what I got from the thrift store. So I got a jewelry holder, you all. It's not the best shape, but it's not even ugly. But I have all my jewelry in a bag. So this little shelf goes on the wall. Forgot that, $4. Okay, I don't know what brand this is, but I'm gonna figure it out. But I got this from the thrift store. This was $6 and like a high quality bag. And I noticed it's ostrich. That's it. That's all I know. But this is a nice bag. Like I genuinely feel like I'm gonna wear this today with like my all black bodysuit. But this bag is quality. Like this is a good bag. This is a good quality bag just for some real quick pop of color on a black fit. And then this little coffee time. Put this on a counter somewhere or whatever. This was $3. And then the last bag. This is also something I got from the thrift store. And this is just a cute little Juicy Couture. It is very cute. Inside it's blue. It's just cute. This is a cute little bag for the night, like I gotta hurry up for real. And then we got us some lashes. Like they're cute. So we're gonna put them on. Some pink toes. And then I got a thing in the eyebrow pencil. So what I'm about to do now is get ready. So y'all, I am at Ross. And this Ross up here don't really have like no super cute stuff. I'm probably about to hit on Audi. This is cute. Oh, this is so cute. While I'm trying to snack, what is this, Michael? This is cute. Oh, let me walk around a little bit more. Let me go look at their paintings. I don't really buy anything, to be honest. I'm sitting here wasting time. I gotta go pick up this computer, but it's not ready just yet, so yeah.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile?